Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to LG G7 Fit. Firstly, open Play Store on both devices to install free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then, in order to use it, hit the same options on both smartphones. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to, and then close your window by hitting OK. Now after tapping on Close in Wait pop-up at the top, click on Send at the bottom left corner of an Android, and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of LG. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, select all of your files to transfer. In some of those categories, like for example contacts, you need to hit Allow a couple of times and then access your files. When you finish, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then hit Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on LG. Then close an ad and hit Allow in the pop-up to access camera. Lastly, point your device's camera at the code. You can also input this key into Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in the same order, and then click on Download afterward Add. Either way, when you're finished, just wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!